Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to walk you through how to disable dark mode on the Bitget wallet app. Now, disabling dark mode on the Bitget wallet app is essentially the reverse of enabling it. If you've forgotten how you enabled it, I'll teach you. Here's how you can typically do it. You need to launch the app on your mobile device, find and tap the settings icon or menu within the app, often a gear icon or three horizontal lines. Now you need to look for the same options related to display, theme or appearance that you use to enable dark mode. If you use a toggle switch, tap it to turn off dark mode. If you selected dark mode from a list of options, select light mode or default mode instead. If you use the automatic or system default settings, changing your device's display settings back to light mode will also disable dark mode in the app. Here are some important things to note. The exact location of the dark mode setting may vary slightly depending on the app's version. If you're using system-wide dark mode settings on your device, changing those settings will also affect the Bitget wallet app.